Hello everyone, welcome back to Capabilities with Clayton. I'm Clayton. I want to introduce a couple of new capabilities we have for you guys. First is the XCM LCD screen. The second is the XIO80. The XCM LCD screen connects to the XCM10, XCM20, the XCM10S, 20R, and even the ES1. These are obsoleted units, so we wanted to make them available to you guys to support your customers, also your buildings. The same goes with this XIO80. This connects to all the same units. However, this is a refrigeration-specific unit that only does inputs. It does require backnet communication to the opus unit that you're using. So just make sure that that's available before you get it. Again, obsoleted. So we wanted to make that available for you guys. Support your buildings and your customers. We do have full testing capability for both units. So if you find yourself in need of one of these, give us a call here at the office or hit us up at our website, assettechnologies.us.